This is the video dedicated to help you with getting rid of the adware called NetworkImagine. NetworkImagine is the adware targeting many Mac computers all over the world today. NetworkImagine adware, once installed, may display its pretty intrusive advertisements while you surf the internet. If this NetworkImagine was found on your computer somehow, of course you need to undertake the measures and to get rid of this horrible adware as soon as you can. To get rid of it, here is what you need to do. Right click on this adware and move it to the trash. If you see anything else that is suspicious, get rid of it too. Also, I recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner, and the best place for you to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching your device with its help to detect and remove other threats. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.